An AI tool once confidently told me that the Eiffel Tower in Paris was built in 1899. Sounds legit, right? Well, it's actually wrong because the tower was built between 1887 to 1889. AI lies, not on purpose, but it actually happens. Here's how to catch AI errors. AI doesn't say things like "I think" or "maybe" in its responses. It is very bold and confident even when it is giving you an absolutely wrong response. This is called the problem of hallucination, and it basically means that the AI tool is inventing facts that sounds real when it's actually fake. Sometimes AI makes up dates, statistics, quotes, historical events, and it will present it as the absolute truth when it is totally wrong. So how do you know what to trust in an AI's output? 1. Always verify specific facts. If AI gives you a date, a quote, a research paper it got information from, always verify it. Try to check if established websites have mentioned the same statistics before you use it anywhere. Treat AI as a great starting point, never the final source. Number 2, cross-check with original sources. Sometimes AI would cite non-existent sources or misquote existing ones. It might say things like, according to a 2023 Stanford study that probably doesn't exist. Ask AI to give you the exact link of that citation. If it can't or the link doesn't work, that is a big red flag that you should let go of that citation. Number 3, ask AI to explain its reasoning, how it arrived at that answer. Sometimes AI gets things wrong because it misunderstood your question. If something feels wrong, make sure you ask the AI tool, how did you arrive at this answer? Or what sources informed your response? Often, the AI tool will review gaps in its logic or admit uncertainty in its response. That's one way to catch that it has made an error. Challenge the AI tool when something doesn't add up. It is a tool, not an oracle. AI is incredibly powerful, but it is still a tool that is prone to errors. So always verify your facts and question the output. Don't take everything at surface level. So tell me, what is the wildest AI mistake you've ever caught? Drop it in the comments and hit that subscribe button to keep learning more about AI in 2 minutes or less.